Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding DJI's upcoming drone, the DJI Neo. From leaked retail packaging to FCC database entries, there's a lot to unpack. So, let's get into it. What's the buzz about the DJI Neo? Well, this little drone is shaping up to be something quite special, especially if you're into indoor flying or looking for a lightweight, portable option. Recently, we got a sneak peek at what seems to be the official retail packaging of the DJI Neo, thanks to the ever-reliable leaker, Jasper Ellens. The packaging gives us a solid look at the drone's key features. We can see the drone will be only 135 grams, which could be one of the lightest Cinehoop-style drones on the market. The drone will be capable of shooting 4K ultra-smooth stabilized video. AI subject tracking is a feature we're seeing more and more in consumer drones, and it's great to see it included here. You will be able to fly and land the drone from your hand. Full coverage propeller guards suggest the Neo is designed with indoor flying in mind, making it safe to use in tighter spaces. The DJI Neo seems to be all about portability and ease of use. Leaked images show a drone with a compact design, complete with full coverage propeller guards. This not only makes it safe for indoor flying, but also means it's beginner-friendly. The drone also features a control panel on the main body, with a push button that allows for easy switching between different flight modes. This design choice is reminiscent of the HoverAir X1 selfie drone, which makes me wonder if DJI is aiming for a similar market with the Neo. According to the FCC label, the DJI Neo will be powered by a 7.3-volt, 1435 mAh battery, which is a bit smaller compared to other DJI models. This gives us an estimated flight time of about 15 minutes. While that might seem short, it's pretty standard for drones of this size. What's really interesting is the weight. At around 135 grams, the DJI Neo is incredibly light, which could make it one of the most portable drones DJI has ever made. For comparison, the RiseTech Tello, which also uses DJI's flight control technology, weighs just 80 grams but doesn't offer nearly the same level of features. Now, let's talk about the potential price and release date. A leaked Walmart listing suggests that the DJI Neo Fly More combo could be priced at $329. This package would include additional batteries, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag, making it a pretty sweet deal if you ask me. As for the release date, the fact that the drone has already appeared in the FCC database usually means we won't have to wait too long. DJI has a habit of keeping us on our toes, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see the Neo hit the shelves very soon. So, what are my expectations for the DJI Neo? Given all these leaks and rumors, I'm expecting DJI to deliver a drone that's perfect for beginners and those looking to get into indoor or proximity flying. The AI subject tracking and 4K video capabilities are particularly exciting, as they suggest this drone won't just be a toy, but a capable little machine for capturing high-quality footage. However, I'm curious about how the Neo will perform in terms of stabilization, especially since it's expected to have a single-axis gimbal. And of course, I'm hoping it will be compatible with DJI's FPV gear, even if that's something we might see down the road. That's all for today's video on the DJI Neo leaks and rumors. I'm really excited to see what DJI has in store for us with this new drone. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you planning to get the DJI Neo, or are you waiting for something else? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.